Let's have a look at number lines and how we can use them to help with subtraction.
We'll start by plotting the number 9, right here. Now to subtract 4 means that we're going to move back or to the left 4 spaces. Where do we land? Do you see how we land on the number 5? This is because 9 minus 4 equals 5. Do you see a pattern? When adding, remember to jump forward or to the right. When subtracting, we jump backward or to the left. Now here's another subtraction strategy. Suppose we have two numbers. We can use the number line to find 29 minus 24. First, we plot the number 29, then the number 24. Because we're finding 29 minus 24, we can also say that we're finding the difference, or the spaces between. Let's count the spaces between 29 and 24, starting with the larger number. So what does this equal? 29 minus 24 equals 5, because there are 5 spaces between them.